Local platform leaders make a difference in their communities and in so doing feel such joy in helping their neighbors become healthier, happier, and more prosperous. These folks inspire and support PLAGO hosts who offer activities that help people lose weight, get fit, have fun, make new friends, even make money. I'd encourage anyone looking for a fresh, meaningful, and lucrative opportunity to schedule a deeper look at PLAGO local platform leadership right here today.
Friends, not just friends, great friends, close friends. Sure, local platform leaders certainly thrive in business and they do make a difference in their communities. But there is more to it, isn't there? It's how we spend our time and who we spend it with. Leading a group of PLAGO hosts puts you up close and personal where friendships start. You may not want new friends, but really? Face it, most of us do. So, if making close friends is important to you, let me encourage you to schedule a deeper look at PLAGO local platform leadership right here today.
Having fun. As local platform leaders, we make a huge difference in how much fun people have. Here's why. When you share an activity you love with someone else who also loves it, chances are you're going to have a blast. And for leaders, helping a bunch of hosts get to the point where they can do this for new friends and neighbors is even more fun and exciting. If having fun making a difference sounds like you, let me encourage you to schedule a deeper look at PLAGO local platform leadership right here today.
I was left to my own devices.
Our local platform leaders are in business in their communities to help PLAGO hosts prosper. These hosts are people and businesses who offer and often sell activities on the PLAGO app and platform. Helping hosts prosper is certainly meaningful and fulfilling, and by leading them, you can thrive financially as well. It's a simple and lucrative business for the right person. If being in a fun business, you won't need a vacation from making a difference in other people's lives. Sounds like you? Let me encourage you to schedule a deeper look at PLAGO local platform leadership right here today.